Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we are going to be doing packs. I had a lot more, but we kind of got interrupted. So, we're back on MLB Show 20. Let's do the gold ball player pack, and ignore Mark in the background. I love the break, and we'll do this one. Alright, so next pack. We didn't really pull any diamonds yet. So let's take a lot of our rookies. I think I do already have him. Dylan Moore. Max Schrock. Mark. Okay. Mark's being just a little bit mad right now, so. Well, that's what Max Schrock then. Oh, we saw 2 picks, so we'll go Dansby and we'll go Dylan Moore. Alright. So now we have those. Let's open up another one. And, okay, Juan Lagar's, Eric Haas, Chad Green, Gavin Sheets. Okay, Gavin Sheets, I know he's not that good, but his first career home run was pretty good. So we'll take Eric Haas, Chad Green. We need a lot of pitching, so we're going to take that. And we still have quite a bit more. Oh, wait, so, we'll go Cedric Mullins, I guess. Oh, there's 2 rounds. I guess we'll take Tariq Skubal. I don't know, I just don't know the other guy. Alright, so, oh, we got 3 rounds, so we're taking my Reese Hoskins. Okay, this is, I've never seen gold. We'll take, I don't know, Travis Shaw, I guess. We're not really going to use him too much. Never seen the silver ones either. Never expected them to be a thing, but that is right there. Now we have the opening weekend. Yeah, we're taking your Mercedes. There's nothing about that. It's just, and a cute Wadu, my guy. Alright, now we have the Spaceball pack. I've never opened these. Ooh, Matthew Liberatore. I'm probably going to end up taking Matthew Liberatore because I really don't know any of these guys except for Kenley Jansen. But I really want to take Matthew Liberatore, so we're going to take Matthew Liberatore. Okay, and then we got these. We'll take Chicago. Making sure you guys can see. Scoot you guys up a little bit. So we took the Matthew Liberatore, and we took the Chicago White Sox. Alright. Next up, we got 2 headliners. This is where we're diamond potential. So a gold. Matt Barnes. Alright. One more headliner. Please give us diamonds. No. We always get that gold unlockable though. Because now we got 2 bonus habits. Oh. Nothing there. Last bonus habit. Please, good luck. Nope. Nothing there. Nope. And we still do have some stubs. I'm not going to buy anything with them though. Dang it, come on. We gotta pull a diamond here. Come on, guys. Dang it. Alright, that's Andrew. Guys, no Andrew. Okay, so gold in the pack. I mean, I already have him though, so I guess we'll just sell him because I don't need him at all. And that was last pack, just right there. You know what? We'll buy one. I'm gonna buy 1 pack. I really need. I'm probably just buy one pack real quick. All right, this is it. This is the pack. Nothing there. But hey guys, this was the video. It seemed to be too much, but I guess I'll show you guys. I'll show putting them into my lineup. So I want you guys to see that. So we can, like, where should we start? Because we obviously updated. We put our new Dansby Swanson for the old Dansby Swanson. So we have another guy better than Frankie Schwindel. Dylan Moore. Frank Schwindel, but we'll put him out shock there. I don't know why. Altuve can get subbed out for Josh Chisholm. Yes, I know Edwin Encarnacion is out of position. Garrett Hampson will go there. Do our new Cedric Mullins. Nothing should go there. What about the Wander Franco deal? Edwin, we're putting Dylan Moore. And really not very good. But now we need to do this. So there's a ton of guys you could potentially put here. We're going to put Frankie Schwindel. We're going to put Tyler Stevenson. Eric Haas. Reese Hoskins. Go Austin Meadows. So, there's the team, guys. We have to make a lineup, though. I like Garrett Hampson there. I really do. Max Shark, I'm going to just down a little bit. I think that's good for Max. Nah, I think we should put Max Shark last, just because he's a rookie. Nothing else. Dylan Moore should go there. And yeah, this is going to be... with the rotation. Starting pitcher, easy pick for that one. I don't know. Oh, wait, we had some lefties going, though. And, okay, well, Barrios going to have to stay there. The bullpen, though. New Chad Green. New Chad Green is better than old Chad Green. Trust me. There we go. And there we go. Matt Barnes. So, yeah, guys. Put Evan Diaz and TJ Antonin. This is the new team. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And once again, I'm going to see you guys next time.